Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hello, my name is Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to use the word 在 to express existence in a place. You will also learn how to use 哪里 to express the idea of where.
丽丽，爸爸在哪里？
我不知道，
妈妈在哪里？
在他的房间。
不在。
我在厨房。
妈，我的手机在哪里？
在卫生间。我的手机在哪里？ Using 在 to express existence in a location, it's similar to the English expression to be in or to be at. Let's call this way of using 在 to. The sentence structure is fairly easy. Subject plus 在 plus place. For example, 我在家 I'm at home. More examples. 姐姐在学校 Older sister is at school. 爸爸在北京 Dad is in Beijing. 妈妈在她的房间 Mom is in her room. Important note here. 在 has already covered both the function of the verb to be and the function of the preposition in or at. Therefore, there's no need to add the to be verb 是. These are common mistakes made by students. When you want to ask, is mom home? 妈妈是在家吗? Which is wrong. You're supposed to say, 妈妈在家吗? When you want to say, no, mom is not home, the common mistakes are, 妈妈是不在家 or 妈妈不是在家 You're supposed to say 妈妈不在家 Using 哪里 to express the idea of where. For example, 你在哪里 Literally, you at where? Where are you? 卫生间在哪里 Literally, bathroom at where? Where is the bathroom? More examples. 学校在哪里 Literally, school at where? Where is the school? 我的手机在哪里 Literally, my cell phone at where? Where is my cell phone? Using 知道 and 不知道 to express know or don't know. For example, 妈妈在哪里 Where is mom? 我不知道 I don't know. 你知道姐姐在哪里吗 Do you know where older sister is? 我知道 I know. Using 在 or 不在 to answer the is somebody or something in this location question. For example, 哥哥在学校吗 Is older brother at school? 不在 No, he's not. 妈妈在厨房吗 Is mom in the kitchen? 在 Yes, she is. 爸爸在卫生间吗 Is dad in the bathroom? 不在 No, he's not. 姐姐在她的房间吗 Is older sister in her room? 在 Yes, she is. Now let's review. 在 to be in or to be at. 哪里 Where? 爸爸在哪里 Where is dad? 知道 To know. 不知道 Don't know. 我知道 I know. 我不知道 I don't know. 卫生间 bathroom. 妈妈在卫生间 Mom is in the bathroom. 厨房 kitchen. 妈妈在厨房吗 Is mom in the kitchen? 在 is there. 不在 not there. 我在厨房 I'm in the kitchen. 手机 cell phone, mobile phone. 我的手机在哪里 Where's my cell phone? 你的手机在卫生间 Your cell phone is in the bathroom. Now it's time for a language tip. When it comes to the word where, you will encounter a few different situations in real life. You will hear people say 哪里 or 哪儿. For example, this sentence, where's mom? It could be 妈妈在哪 or 妈妈在哪里. You can also hear 妈妈在哪儿. Confusing, right? Actually, they all mean the same thing. But where do the differences come from? 哪 or 哪里 is used more in southern part of China. In northern part, you will hear 妈妈在哪儿. So 哪儿 is a northern dialect. The part that there is an 儿 sound added to the end of that word 哪 is called 儿化音. What it does is it changes the sound of certain words by taking away the ending sound of that word and adds that 儿 sound to the end. So for the word where, when written, it shows 2 characters, but by pronunciation, there's only 1 syllable. Let's look at another example. Where's my cell phone? 我的手机在哪里? In southern part of China, it's 我的手机在哪 or 我的手机在哪里? But in northern part, it's 我的手机在哪儿? So the key to remember this type of sentence is pick up that 哪儿 sound. And if it's a where question, this question word 哪儿 is usually put to the end of a sentence. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!